Hello students, welcome to my online classes. In our previous class, we have seen problems from 11.1 to 11 of your exercise 4.5. So in this session, we will see problems from 12 to 18. Okay, let A equal to matrix 3, 7, 2, 5 and B equal to matrix 6, 8, 7, 9. Verify that AB whole inverse equals to B inverse into A inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ AB ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದರದ್ದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ AB. ಸೊ AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3A matrix A is 3, 7, 2, 5 and B 6, 8, 7, 9. So matrix multiplication in both the way. So this is 3 into 7, 18 plus 7 into 7, 49. Next step 24, 63. This is 12, 35, 16 plus 45. Start with 67. This is 87. This is 47. 61. So this is your AB matrix start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So already ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ AB inverse ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ just we have to find this is one determinant of AB into adjoint of AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ determinant of AB ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So determinant of AB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, now determinant of AB equals to 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87. So we have to multiply again. 4087 is the product minus 4089 is the product. So this equals to minus 2, which is not equals to 0, and AB is not equal. AB not equal, AB inverse is exist. Now, this is we have to find the adjoint of AB. Adjoint of AB find what? Adjoint of AB equals to adjoint of AB is just interchange the diagonal elements. 61 will bರುತ್ತೆ, 67 will ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Interchange the diagonal elements. Then change the sign. Minus 87 minus 47. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, AB whole inverse equals to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. So this equals to 1 by determinant of AB is 1 by minus 2 into this is 61 minus 87 minus 47. This is 67. Okay. So minus and will also be. Okay. Called as equation 1. Next step. AB inverse, sorry, B inverse to A inverse find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next A inverse. A inverse find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, determinant of A ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ adjoint of A ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So A ಏನಿದೆ, next determinant of A equals to determinant of A is 3 into 5 15 minus 2 into 7 14, that is 1, which is not equals to 0. Then A is also non-singular. Then adjoint of A for this A, adjoint of A equals to, just interchange the diagonal elements. Interchange diagonal elements. Then 5, 3, change the sign of a non-diagonal, minus 7, minus 2. So this is your adjoint of A. Therefore, A inverse equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that equals to 1 by 1 into 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. Next find AB inverse. AB is first again determinant of B find. Determinant of B 6 into 9 54 minus 56. This is minus 2, which is not equal to 0. Next term, adjoint of B. Adjoint of B, क्या करता है? Addition diagonals 9, 6. Change the sign. minus 8, minus 7. So B inverse. B inverse equals to 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So 1 by determinant of B is 1 by minus 2 into adjoint of B 9 minus 8 minus 7 6. Okay. So multiply these two. Next another number. B inverse into A inverse equals to B inverse is 1 by minus 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7 6 into A inverse. So 1 by 1 is 1 only. Then 5 minus 7 minus 2. Multiply these two. So minus 1 minus 1 by 2 अगर दे दो multiplication 9 into 5. Next up 8 minus 8 into minus 2. This is plus 16 minus 63 minus 24 minus 35. This is minus 12 plus 49 plus 18. Minus 1 by 2 into this is 61 minus 87. This is minus 47. This is 67. So for the question 2 from 1 and 2. From question 1 and 2 we have AB whole inverse equals to B inverse into A inverse. That's the rule. Got it. Next question. If A equal to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equals to 0, and using this one equation find A inverse of that. So first we have to prove this equation. A square equals to get solution. A square equals to A into A, that equals to 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1. Multiply 1 to it. 3 minus 1 8 3 plus 2 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4. This is 3. A square is matrix 8 5 minus 5 8. Next row, consider LHS. Consider LHS equals to A square minus 5A plus 7R. This equals to A square is 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5A. A is 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7I. I is the added matrix 1 0 0 1. 8 5 minus 5 3 multiply minus 5 over minus, this is 15, 5 minus 5, 10. So 7 over 7, 0, 0, 7. This equals to 8 minus 15 minus 7 plus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Minus 5 minus 2 minus plus minus 5 plus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7, 0. So this is 0 matrix of 2 by 2. This is nothing but equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So hence we prove. Then using this equation, you have to find A inverse. Now, A square minus 5A plus 7I equals to 0. So you already question have so each type of question put A inverse time model first get identity hero terms transfer model. A square minus 5A equals to minus 7I. Okay. Next step post multiplying by A inverse. Next step post multiplying by A inverse. We get on both sides. A inverse can be written as A into A. That post multiplying by A inverse is that. So A inverse minus 5 into A into A inverse, that equals to minus 7 into I into A inverse. Okay. Next already number is A into A inverse is I. This implies A into I into next term minus 5 into I into A inverse. 5 into I, this equals to minus 7 into I into A inverse is A inverse. So identity matrix to n multiply matrix for this implies A into I is A minus 5I equals to minus 7A inverse. Nine make A inverse step. So minus 7 equal transform. Next step A inverse equals to 1 by minus 7. Here multiplication is like transform. 1 by minus 7 into A minus 5I. Okay. You minus 7 multiply just continue minus 1 by 7 into A minus 5I. A in there 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5I 1 0 0 1. Simplify this one. This A inverse equals to minus 1 by 7 into 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5 0 0 5. This goes to minus 1 by 7 in 3 minus 5. This is minus 2 1 minus 0 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 2 minus 5 minus 3. You minus 1 1 by 7 equals to minus plus 7 1 2 minus 1 minus plus 1. This is plus 3. This is your A inverse. Okay, not done. Next question. For the matrix A equal to 3 2 1 1, find the numbers A and B such that equation A square plus A into A plus BI. So here we have to find the value of A and B using this equation. First A square component. Here I is the identity matrix and 0 is the zero matrix of order A. a ಅಂತ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅದೇ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ I ಮತ್ತೆ 0 solution 5a square equals to what? A into a, that is 3211 into 3211 multiply 9 plus 2 11 6 plus 2 8 3 plus 1 4 2 plus 1 3. This is our a square. Consider that equation LHS equals to a square plus a into a plus bi. So consider the equation. Consider equals to 0 here. A square and then a square is 1 11 8 4 3 plus a is a constant number. Matrix A is 3 2 1 1 plus B I 1 0 0 1. This equals to 0 and 0 matrix 0 0 0 0. So let's just add one more. This implies 11 8 4 3 plus इधर 3a 2a a ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು b ನ b 0 0 b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು this equals to 0 0 0 0 already matrix addition ಬಂದಿದೆ so corresponding add the corresponding elements 11 plus 3a plus b. Next one 8 plus 2a plus 0 4 plus a plus 0 next one 3 plus a plus b. This is equals to 0 0 0 0. Already ನಿಮಗೆ equality of matrices ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Equality of matrices ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು add matrix equal ಇದ್ರೆ the corresponding elements are also equal. So using this condition ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ನೋಡಲಿ 4 plus a equal to 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ 8 plus 2a equal to 0 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು 4 plus a equal to ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ corresponding element 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ so a equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ -4 so a value is -4. Next b around e term simplify that 3 plus a plus b equal to corresponding element is 0 ಇದೆ 0 already a value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 3 minus 4 plus b equal to 0 means -1 plus b equal to 0. This implies b equal to 1. So these are the values of a. Next question. For the matrix A equal to 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equals to 0. Hence find a equals to this condition. First we find out a square count and a cube. Solution. A square equals to a into a, that is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 into 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Matrix multiplication 1 plus 2 4 आएगा 1 plus 2 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 3 1 1 plus 2 3 minus 6 minus 3 1 plus 4 5 minus plus 5 plus 3 8 1 minus 6 is minus 5 minus 9 minus 2 minus 9 minus 49. What is the first again? Next 2 minus 1 1 plus 6 7. 2 minus 2 0 minus 3. 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 9 14. Yes, per elements a square then a cube equal to a square into a square is 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 into 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Okay. A cube equals to no 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 30 58. Okay, matrix multiplication. Next row, consider this LHS equals to a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. A cube 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 30 58 minus 6 a square 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 plus 5a 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 plus 11i 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Simplify this one. This equals to 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 30 58. So multiply this 6 for all these terms. Minus 6. Let us multiply by 24. This is 12. 6 minus 18. 58. Minus 84. 42. Minus 18. 84. Plus 5 multiplied by terms here. 5 5 5 5 10 minus 15. Next to 10 minus 5 15. 11 multiplied by 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Simplify all these terms. You will get 8 minus 24 minus 16 plus 16 0. 7 minus 12 minus 5 plus 5. This is 0. So all becomes 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is equals to 0, which is RHS. So we have proved this equation. So using this equation, we will find A1. Same procedure. Previous example, A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i equals to 0. First, to transfer this I to the side. This implies a cube minus 6a square plus 5a that equals to minus 11i. So I am going to proceed A inverse. Next one, post multiplying by A inverse on both sides. So A cube can be written as A square into A inverse minus 6 A square into A into A. This is A inverse multiplied plus 5 A into A inverse, that is minus 11 I into A inverse. So A into A inverse is I, so A square into I minus 6A into, again A into A inverse is I plus 5 A into A inverse is I is equals to I into A inverse is minus 11 A inverse. Okay. So this implies A square minus 6A plus 5I equals to minus 11A inverse. Then we get A inverse. This implies A inverse equals to minus 11 का transform 1 by minus 11 into A square minus 6A plus 5I. So even now 5 multiplied. So minus 11 minus 1 into minus 1 by 11 equals to A square value already ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನು A square value 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 minus 6A 6 A value is 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 plus 5y plus 5 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Simplifying this one, you will get A inverse. A inverse equal to minus 1 by 11 into A then 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 minus 6 multiplied 6 6 6 1 6 12 minus 18 12 minus 6 18 plus 5y plus 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Simply forward to minus 1 by 11 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 5 3 2 minus 6 minus 4 plus 0 minus 4 1 minus 6 minus 5. Next up minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 8 minus 12 minus 4 minus 4 plus 5 1 minus 14 minus of minus plus 18 minus 14 plus 18 4 plus 0 is 4 7 minus 12 minus 5 minus 5 plus 0 minus 5 minus 3 minus of minus plus again plus 3 0 plus 3 14 minus 18 minus 4 plus 5 1. So this is your A inverse. Okay. Next one, section 1. For the matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, show that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equals to 0. Then find A inverse of that. So already 15 from here other formula. So try this at home. The answer is A inverse equals to 1 by 4 into matrix 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 1 3 answer. So very simple. Next 17th one. let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3. Of order 3 by 3 is then determinant of adjoint of A is equal to option A determinant of A, option B determinant of A square, determinant of option C determinant of A cube, option D 3 into determinant of A. Already in general I ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ if A is of order, if A is a matrix of order n by n ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ okay determinant of adjoint of A ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ determinant of n to the power n minus 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ already ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So order ಏನಿದೆ 3 by 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A square. So option B is right, determinant of A square. Next 18th one, if A is an invertible matrix of order 2 then determinant of A inverse is equal to option A determinant of A, B option B is 1 by determinant of A, option C 1, option D 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ determinant of A inverse ಕೇಳಿದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it's always equals to 1 by determinant of A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ determinant of A inverse is always equals to 1 by determinant of A. 2018 ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್